Hello, my amazing YouTube family. So today we're touring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in SANGOTEDO. Now, this property comes with a swimming pool, a fully fitted kitchen, comes with a BQ. Now, before I go into the business of the day, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. Take a moment to like, subscribe, share, drop a comment what you think about this lovely property. And before I forget, this property comes with a global CFO and the building approval is available. And it's in the market for 280 million naira. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this property. I'm going to flip the camera, show you the exterior, then go down into the interior of this property. So stay tuned, watch this video to the very end. And I'm sure after watching this video, you're going to call the number and get this for yourself. So join me, guys. Let's tour this house together. Okay, so once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are touring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in SANGOTEDO. Now, before going in, I needed to show you the environment of this property. It's 2 units actually. So for the sake of this video, we are doing this one right here. So this house comes with a global CFO as the title, the building approval, it's available as well. So okay, so it comes with a swimming pool, a BQ. Okay, so before stepping in, let me show you the compound space so you can see. So you can comfortably park 2 cars right here. You can comfortably park 2 cars right here. So you have your carport roof over there. So this space can take 2 cars. Okay, so let me go around, show you the swimming pool area before entering inside the building properly. Okay, so by this side, it takes you down to the swimming pool area. You can see the space between the wall and the building. So have a good look. Okay, so takes you down to the pool area. Okay, so this is your pool area. You have a transparent glass that you can see from the living area. You can see the pool area from the living area. So this transparent glass, if you are in the living area, you can see the pool area from here. So you have this window overlooking the pool area. So this is your swimming pool, and this door takes you into the kitchen. Okay, but we are not going to go in through this way. I just needed to just show you where this door leads to. Okay, so let's still go around the compound, because my video, I like showing you around the compound. The idea is for you to make the video feel like you are actually working with me doing this house tour, so you see everything for yourself. Okay, so this right here is where we're going to have our pumping machine right here. So we've already put in everything in place. We have our scaffolding for our tank. Okay, so we have a space for our electric fence and also a CCTV camera, as you can see. Okay, so let's keep going. So this is your boys water. Oh, it's locked. So this is your boys water. Remember I said the building comes with a BQ. So that's the BQ. Okay, so we are back to the front, the entrance of this building. Okay, so you have a bit of greenery by this side. So you have where you can plant your flowers. And also this window have this beautiful facade. Okay, so let's step inside. So stepping in, you have this mini staircase, this short staircase that ushers you inside the living area. It also comes with this security door. It's a biometric control. So by this side, you have this glass design, beautiful mirror design. So this is your ante room. So this is your guest room. So this is your guest room. So you have your wardrobe by this side. And as usual, all rooms are en suites. So this is your bathroom. Okay, so let's check out the living area. So this is your living area. So you have this beautiful TV console. You have your window by this side. So have a good view of your living area from this angle. You can see the beautiful POP lights and your chandelier. So you have this beautiful TV console right here. You also have another window right here. And also the house comes with a CCTV camera. So it's quite secure. Okay. Okay. So you have your guest toilet by this side. Remember, I showed you this transparent glass so you can see your pool area from here. So I guess this should be your dining area. This is going to look good as your dining area. Just put a mini portable dining set and you're good to go. So this is your kitchen. This is a fully fitted kitchen. It comes with a kitchen island and lots of cabinet spaces. Comes with a microwave, an oven, a gas burner, and your heat extractor. So you have your kitchen island by this side with this beautiful light. So this door leads you outside compound. Oh, it's open. Leads you outside the compound, takes you to the pool area, and you have a store by this side. Okay, so let's check out upstairs, see the remaining 4 rooms. Okay, so this right here is your family lounge. So you have this TV console, this beautiful star spotlight. Okay, so you have 2 rooms by this side. I have 2 rooms by that side. So one of the rooms is the master's bed. So let's check out this room so you can see the rooms, see the sizes. So as usual, all rooms are in suites. So you have your wardrobe over there. This is your bathroom. This is your shower area. So let's check out the next room. So this is room 2. So this is your wardrobe. All rooms are suites. So this is the bathroom, shower area. Okay. So let's see the other remaining 2 rooms across the family lounge, across the hall. So this is the 3rd room. Have your wardrobe. Okay. So and finally, you're heading to the master's bed. So this is master's bed. You have your bathroom by this side, and you have your closet by this side. So this, you have a beautiful TV console by this angle. Okay. So this is your master's bed. You have this floor to ceiling window right here that lets in natural light, illuminates the room. And by this side, you have access to your balcony. So this is the balcony. Okay, so this is your bathroom. Comes with the bathtub, suspended WC, and the shower area. So this is shower area. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. This is what you're looking for. Call the number that is showing on your screen. Remember, this house is in the market for 280 million naira. Comes with the global CFO and building approval. So till I come your way next time, thank you and God bless you.